Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub. In this chapter, we explore the fundamental principles of cultivating and nurturing medicinal plants. These plants have been valued for centuries due to their healing properties and diverse applications in traditional and modern medicine. Understanding how to grow and care for them not only enhances their effectiveness, but also contributes to sustainable agricultural practices. By learning about their importance and potential benefits, you can make informed choices for both personal and community well-being. Selecting the right medicinal plants for your garden begins with understanding your local climate. Some plants thrive in warm, sunny environments, while others prefer cooler, shaded areas. It's also important to assess your soil type, as certain herbs require well-drained, sandy soils, while others do better in richer, loamy ground. Finally, consider what you hope to achieve with your garden, whether you're interested in soothing teas, natural remedies, or aromatic oils. By matching plant choices to your environment and needs, you can cultivate a thriving and useful medicinal garden. Proper soil preparation is essential for cultivating healthy medicinal plants. Start by choosing a location with good drainage and access to sunlight, as most medicinal herbs thrive in well-lit areas. Enrich the soil with organic matter such as compost or aged manure to provide vital nutrients and improve soil structure. Testing the soil's pH and adjusting it to suit the specific needs of your chosen plants can further enhance their growth. By creating these optimal conditions, you set the foundation for robust and resilient medicinal plants. Successful gardening begins with understanding the right planting techniques. Starting seeds indoors allows for an early jump on the growing season, giving young plants a strong start before they face outdoor conditions. When transplanting seedlings, it's important to handle them gently and plant them at the correct depth to minimize stress. Proper spacing between plants ensures they have enough room to grow, reducing competition for nutrients and light. These practices help promote robust, healthy plants throughout the season. Proper care is vital for cultivating healthy medicinal plants. Watering should be consistent, ensuring the soil remains moist but not waterlogged, as both drought and overwatering can harm root systems. Fertilizing provides essential nutrients, so choose organic or balanced fertilizers suited to the specific plant species. Mulching helps retain soil moisture, suppresses weeds, and regulates soil temperature, all of which contribute to vigorous plant growth. By mastering these basic practices, you create an environment where medicinal plants can thrive. Medicinal plants are often vulnerable to a range of pests and diseases, including aphids, whiteflies, fungal infections, and root rot. These issues can compromise the health and potency of the plants. To manage them organically, gardeners can introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs to control aphid populations, or use neem oil sprays to deter a variety of pests. Regularly removing affected leaves and ensuring proper air circulation helps prevent fungal diseases. Crop rotation and maintaining healthy soil also play crucial roles in reducing the risk of infestations and promoting resilient plant growth. Proper pruning is essential for encouraging healthy growth and maximizing the yield of your medicinal plants. By removing dead or overcrowded branches, you allow more light and air to reach the remaining foliage, which can improve potency. When it comes time to harvest, choose the optimal moment based on the plant's maturity and desired medicinal properties. After harvesting, handle your plants gently and dry them in a cool, dark place to preserve their active compounds. Careful post-harvest storage in airtight containers will help maintain their quality and effectiveness over time. To successfully cultivate medicinal plants, it's important to start with quality seeds or seedlings. Select the right location with suitable soil and sunlight, and maintain consistent watering and care. Regular monitoring for pests and diseases helps ensure healthy growth. Harvesting at the optimal time preserves the plant's medicinal properties. As you master these foundational steps, you'll be well prepared to explore more advanced techniques and practical applications in the next chapter.